Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So if your laptop Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11, in this video we will fix it step by step. First, you have to check the airplane mode and restart your Wi-Fi router. Make sure the airplane mode is off like this. If your airplane mode is enabled like this, you have to disable the airplane mode. But if this airplane mode option is not showing here, in that case you have to go to settings. So click on settings. After that, on the left side, click on this option network and internet. On the right side, you will see this option airplane mode. So make sure the airplane mode is off. But if you are still getting the same issue, restart your Wi-Fi router. So first you have to turn off your Wi-Fi router. After that, wait for 2 or 3 minutes, then turn it on. Now move on to the next method you can try, restart Wi-Fi adapter. For this, you have to open settings. After that, on the left side, click on this option network and internet. Now on the right side, scroll down and you will see this option advanced network settings. Click on it. Now here you will see the Wi-Fi option. First, you have to disable the Wi-Fi. After that, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then click on enable. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method, roll back Wi-Fi driver. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. In this device manager, click on this option network adapters, expand this option. So this is my Wi-Fi driver. So you have to right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then go to properties, click on properties, then click on this driver tab. If your Wi-Fi stopped working after a Windows update, in that case you can use this option rollback driver. So this will roll back the previously installed driver. So you can use this option. This option is currently not available in my laptop. Now move on to the next method, open command prompt. For this, you have to click on this search box and then type command prompt. You will get this kind of result. Right click on it, then click on this option run as administrator. Click on it. Now you have to type a few commands. So let's start with our first command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Now type the next command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Now type the next command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Type the next command, then press enter. Now type the final command, then press enter. You have to type all these commands carefully, and after completing all these commands, cut this window and restart your system. Now move on to the next method, fix power management issue. For this, you have to again right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. Now in this device manager, click on this option network adapters, expand this option, then right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then click on properties. Now you have to click on this option power management. Now you have to untick this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So you have to uncheck this option, then click on OK, cut this window and restart your system. Now move on to the next method, enable WLAN auto config service. For this, you have to click on this search box and then type services. You will see this kind of option, services. Click on it. So this will open Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called WLAN auto config. So scroll down and you will see this option, WLAN auto config. Right click on it. Click on properties. First, in this startup type, select automatic, then click on apply. After that, click on this option start. That's it. Click on OK. Cut this window. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method, reinstall Wi-Fi driver. For this, you have to again right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. Now you have to click on this network adapters option, expand this option. Now right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then click on this option uninstall device, click on it, then tick this option. Okay, tick this option, click on uninstall, and after uninstalling this device, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh driver. Now move on to the next method, If Wi-Fi shows connected but there is no internet, in that case you have to click on this search box, then type command prompt. You will get this kind of option, command prompt. Right click on it, then click on this option, run as administrator. In this command prompt you have to type this command. So type this command carefully, then press enter. After that, cut this window and check. If you are still getting the same issue, the next method you can try is perform a network reset. For this, you have to first open settings. On the left side, click on network and internet. After that, on the right side, scroll down and click on this option, advanced network settings. In this more settings, you will see this option, network reset. Click on it. So this is the option we need, network reset. So you have to click on this option, reset now, and this will reset your network settings only and your PC will be restarted. So you can use this network reset option. The next method you can try is reset your PC. If you tried everything and Wi-Fi is still not working, in that case you can use this method, reset your PC. For this, you have to click on this search box and then type reset this PC. You will see this kind of option, reset this PC. Click on it. So in this recovery option, click on this option, reset PC. So there are two options, keep my files and remove everything. So click on this option, keep my files. You will see all the details ready to reset this PC. So this will change settings back to their default. Keep personal files. So all your data, all the files you have in your system will remain safe, but this will remove all apps and programs. So your data, your files will remain safe, but the applications you have in your system will remove. Click on reset and this process will take around 40 to 45 minutes to complete. So these are the methods you can use. This is all for the video. Thank you.